Have you ever seen a truck fly through the air and land on a house? Or tumbleweeds so massive they buried cars alive? Buckle up, because we're diving into some of the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping road moments ever caught on camera. From wild crashes to pure chaos. This is reality in the fast lane. These aren't movie stunts. This is real life on the road. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and get ready to ask yourself, how did they even survive that let's see? In Yunnan province, a driver loses control and flies off the road down a steep slope. The car crashes into water and lays still. Suddenly, the door opens and the driver walks out, shocking everyone watching. Lucky? Very? But luck won't save you twice. Trying to pass on the right isn't just illegal in many places, it's also dangerous. This driver tried it on the A58 near Eaton and ended up crashing hard. Drive smart. Stick to the rules. Shoppers were picking up candy and clothes, then turned to see a car engulfed in flames. This viral video from YO Shopping Center in May 2020 shows how fast disaster can strike. Always check your vehicle. Fires can start from the simplest spark. In another wild mishap, a woman forgets to shift to park, then hits the gas instead of the brake, crashing into two trash bins. It's funny, but only because no one was hurt. A chain reaction crash involving 7 cars went viral, and you won't believe how it happened. There was plenty of braking distance, yet nobody stopped. Red car? More like red flag. Stay alert and watch for changes in traffic flow. In Queens, New York, a truck tries to make a sharp turn from Queens Boulevard onto Skillman Avenue, and the clearance just isn't there. 3 cars had to reverse just to give it room. Driving a truck in that city? Not for the faint of heart. Patience gets tested daily. In South Carolina, strong winds flip a massive container truck on its side. It's like nature just decided you're done. Stunning footage, and somehow no one was hurt. In Montego, California, storm damage causes a road to collapse right under a woman's feet. She narrowly escapes what could have been a deadly fall. What would you have done in her place? It's not sci-fi, it's Tumblegeddon. Giant tumbleweeds, 20 to 30 feet high, buried cars and shut down a highway in Washington for 10 hours. It looked like nature had declared war. Snowplows had to dig cars out like an avalanche. Absolutely surreal. December 23, 2022, London, Ontario. A blizzard blinds drivers, and soon 50-plus vehicles crash on Highway 402. It's one of the worst pileups in Canadian history. Snow doesn't just fall, it crashes lives too. Ever wondered what happens when traffic lights stop working during rush hour? The streets turn into a no-rules arena of frustration and risk. It's an eerie glimpse into what happens when control systems fail and why cooperation on the road matters. A Ford Explorer doing 60 mph. The Dashcam captures it all, a violent rear-end collision that sparks a chain reaction. Never, ever drive distracted. Deep in China lies a road that's so slick and winding it's earned the nickname the Eel. Just watching it makes your brain slip. It's that hypnotic. Would you dare drive on it? A Ferrari crashes into the median and collides with a BMW. The price? Tens of thousands in damage. China's becoming a hotspot for supercars, but driving skills haven't caught up. Stay safe. No amount of horsepower replaces good judgment. Changing lanes might feel routine, but done carelessly, it's a disaster waiting to happen. Blind spots, speed misjudgment, poor signaling. It only takes a second for a sideswipe or rear-end collision. Every lane change is a choice. Choose safety. A giant anaconda slithered onto a road in Brazil, bringing traffic to a standstill. Drivers jumped out of their cars to protect it and clear the way. Sometimes, nature reminds us who's really in charge. During a wild police chase in NY, a car nearly hits a crowd of pedestrians and an officer crashing through an outdoor dining area. It's a miracle no one was injured. High-speed chases in dense cities? Always a bad idea. In Missouri, a tractor-trailer was caught on video pushing a car down the highway for nearly a minute. The driver wasn't even stopping. It was like watching a real-life nightmare unfold. Green light doesn't mean go crazy. This driver accelerated hard, misjudged the timing, and caused a dangerous situation for a rider ahead. A tough lesson. Stick to the speed limit. It's not there to annoy you. It's there to protect you. A silver van speeds into a roundabout, misses the turn, and launches 12 feet into the air. If he was going any faster, he might have landed on the moon. Guys, roundabouts aren't ramps. Slow down. Outside Louis Vuitton, a woman swings open her car door straight into a luxury Ferrari. And she doesn't even flinch. You already know who's at fault here. Be respectful and aware on the road. What would you do if this happened to your car? A two-trailer truck loses control on I-95, careening across lanes and crashing through the guardrail. A car narrowly avoids disaster before the truck leaps into another lane. The driver walks away, but it could have ended so differently. And there you have it, some of the most jaw-dropping real-life moments ever caught on camera. Which one blew your mind the most? Tell us in the comments. We're reading everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a moment like this. Stay safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next video.